Okay, we're going to start off with street art here in Chiang Rai. So 1981 we got there, and that's a pretty cool looking character. I like the look of that. Yeah, there's a fair bit of graffiti around, so we'll try and do what we've been doing, a few clips here and there. Here's some urban art, 22 this one was done, and I'm going to show you something that's really cool in a minute. Now there's some graffiti just up here on this terrace here. Now they've got some graffiti inside this building as well, but you get some good vision up there, sorry, but we'll have a bit of a sticky beacon here. Now I'm just going to have a look in this guy's shop. I was just having a chat to him and he said, yeah, come film. So this here's a cafe, and really cool, and it's got graffiti, really cool vibe. Yeah, I've just had a couple of drinks, so sadly I don't need another one, but it's really cool. He's got a little playpen there, so he's a family man like me. Milk on the rocks, really cool, and he's got like a car sitting there as well, so that's like really cool. He's got like a really nice vibe here, and that's what I like about Thailand, you know, like you come in and you can't come into places like this and it's really interesting, and it's not the same type of cafe. It's got like a good vibe, and there's even a sewing machine there, so his wife must be doing some work. So yeah, really cool. If you are in Chiang Rai, certainly come in. Like, we'll have a quick look up here, and we'll keep this in the graffiti video perhaps, but I might just edit this out and just upload this as a short little vlog. But yeah, he certainly said come and have a look, but really nice. I think I'll come back here and have a drink, but I'm not going to walk across there because I think I might fall through, and I don't really want to spend any time at the hospital. But really cool, guys. We won't go upstairs, obviously, because that's a private area, but really cool, guys. So if you are in Chiang Rai and you like graffiti and you like coffee or a drink, certainly come in and have a coffee here with the guy, because I will come back. Cup con cup. Yeah, I've just had two drinks, so but I will come back over the next couple of days. Yeah. Now this one over here, I can't get that one, but that one was done by an Australian guy, and this one done by a Thai guy. So pretty cool, guys. Like, here's the name of it, Non Kung Len, and it's a cafe, and here's like the bloke here as well, so certainly and have a drink with him. Like, I would like to have a drink, but I've just had two, so I'll come back tomorrow, I reckon, and we'll do a little stream here. All right. Here's some more Laneway art here in Chiang Rai. So far I've stumbled across a lot of it, and while I've been streaming I've come across. So hopefully I'll get another phone cable today to charge up the spare phone, and if I do come across it with a live stream I can get a clip of it. Here's some more Laneway building art here in Chiang Rai. Just zoom in a bit because I can't get behind that fence, and there's a bit of long grass there. Still here in Chiang Rai, obviously. Yeah, there's just so much urban art around. I really like this because it can beautify certain places up, and also it keeps away graffiti, or tagging as some people call it. But these murals are very good. This pussycat, actually we'll try and get a different angle on that. That's actually quite interesting how they've got all the different paint on that. Very good. Still a fair bit here with this run here. Some of the angles I probably can't because there is a truck just parked in the street. But these ones are quite friendly. So like they're just doing a building here, so I've just got this temporary fence there, so that's a quite good view, guys. And just over the road here there is a bit more. I'm not going to cross over there because I'm just on the way to one of the temples. Now here's some more. I just thought I'd add that tree in there. It absolutely looks fantastic. I might have to do a short on that. Now we'll just zoom out there, guys. So Chiang Rai. Very good. Just here with some more urban artway here. I was going to try and move that out of the way, but no, we'll leave that there, and I'll reserve my strength for the walk ahead. So hopefully I'll get all the graffiti in this tour, but going by statistics I usually find a lot more on the last day, so we might just put it off for a while, guys. Okay, here's Scooby-Dooby-Doo, and he's saying hello there, and I don't know if he's saying hello to you or hello to Shaggy. And there's a nice sign. Yeah, so I've just come across this here, which I'm going to consider urban art. It's just a bunch of lines there, but I just came in here and I had a look, and I've walked all the way across here. So I certainly hit the likes with the urban art, guys. Yeah, there was a few lizards and down there, but they ran away from the camera. Yeah, so here's a bar that I've walked past a few times. It's a reggae bar, but they've got graffiti on here. So we'll give them a plug while we're here. Anyway, if you ever do come to Chiang Rai Reggae Bar, and they've got a bit of graffiti there, and they are not too far from the Chiang Rai Night Market Bazaar, so you really can't miss it. And there is a little bit more Laneway art there as well, just there, but I have shown this before. Now, I don't usually get to see this graffiti here, but I'll just do this bit because all the rest is tags, but this here looks nice. Sorry about the darkness, because this is usually up every time I walk past. Yeah, we're just here on the urban art theme, and here is a buffalo that does not look sick. It looks very well. This artist has done well, and there is a beautiful picture. And just on the theme, yeah, so I've just finished editing my graffiti video, but it's not finished because I knew I would come across more graffiti in Chiang Rai. But I was just preparing myself for when I do find more, I can add it all in at a later date. So I was just walking down here, and I did see a lovely little garden which I'm going to go and have a look to regain some peace and quiet. And I've just discovered some more graffiti. Now, I've just stumbled across this cafe that has graffiti in it, so I'm just going to do a quick little clip here and get out of their hair. But this is pretty cool, graffiti in a coffee shop. Here's some more Laneway art. It's quite good just to be able to just walk around and find urban art. You know, there's some really good graffiti, and then there's like stuff like this. And it's really good, and it does make places look a lot prettier in some ways. Now I've just come across another cafe that has some art in its building, so it's a pretty small place, so I can't really zoom further out. I'm already in 0.5, but it is very good that cafes have some art in there. Now there is a dog there, so we won't walk down there. It looks like there's another section down there, but I don't really want too much barking. But there is some music, so I might mute this section out. Okay, just continuing on the laneways at the moment. Found some more. Here's some whales, or killer whales, or orcs. One of the three. Yeah, I was saying before, it's really good that, you know, on these barren walkways, like they put some really old murals, even though they are old. And just above here, there is an owl. The owl. Yeah, there's just a little bit more here. I'm sure I'm going to wander and find some more graffiti today. I did edit up what I have so far, and I knew this would happen, so we will add more and more. I was going to do a two-part series, but I think, I don't know. Yeah, I've walked past here every day, and usually it's when the roller doors are open, so here's a couple more throw-ups here. Very interesting style from the 80s, but very good. Yeah, I've just come from a walk and just saw some really nice graffiti down this business laneway, and I was actually walked in here because I saw a bar, and it had all like live music promotions and so forth. I'll just show here because it does have some artwork up there, so it is in theme. This looks like a pretty cool rock music bar here in Chiang Rai. It is near the Central Shopping Centre, and yeah, I saw this from a distance, but I was looking at the front, and it does look like a band venue, and that's me in the reflection, handsome fella, and yeah, pretty cool. We will keep this in the Laneway graffiti because it did have some.